Good morning, Internet. Welcome to another adventure. Today, another special day. It's always a special day on this channel, right? We are going to ride with someone that we haven't seen in so long. The guy we're riding with used to be a reoccurring guy on this channel. You even saw him a bunch on the dirt bike channel. Bet you can't guess who it is. I'm a little early, so I don't know that he's here yet, but we'll see. Oh yeah, we're also meeting up with Tenko. The other BMW wouldn't start?
She's a loner.
They figure out what was wrong with yours?
They're doing it right now.
Well, we're meeting up with someone else today.
Who's that?
Rhymes with Jägermeister.
Oh.
In the meantime, I'm going to go get some gasoline. 91 for the trip. And when I say trip, I mean triple. Alright, we'll go for the homies. Oh, look at that. $13 for 2.5 gallons of gas. Alright, what do you got? Is this new?
Yeah.
Good to see you, sir.
Good to see you.
That thing's sweet.
I don't want to ride anything else ever again.
So where are you moving to?
Kentucky.
So you can shoot guns?
I shoot guns here too, but I can really shoot guns there.
You look good. Your diet's working out, that weird ass
I
diet.
didn't want to comment on that, but you look like a different man.
It's working.
And you're gonna screw it all up today.
Fuck it all up today.
So we had 3 places to choose from. I'm gonna go with Benjies.
Go do the Benjies.
That was your spot, your idea, and since you're leaving the state, let's knock that one off the list. What do you get from Benjies?
The Reuben.
I'll probably get the French dip.
I don't think you'll be disappointed whatever you get.
Okay. Well, first let's go see Bob.
Thanks.
You gotta say goodbye to Bob before you go.
Absolutely.
All right, let's pass you along. So the place we're going to, I do want to tell you a little bit about it, but it's kind of got a lot of history to it. So I didn't want to mess it all up and try to remember it and skip some parts. So I'm just going to do a little voiceover. I'm going to do that now. Benjies was founded by a man named Stan Weinstein. Stan was born in Brooklyn, New York, August 1921. Stan had dreams of being a doctor, but that was interrupted by World War II, where he proudly served. While in the military, Stan fell in love with Eleanor Feingold, and they were later married in 1946. With new responsibilities of marriage and fatherhood, Stan was unable to continue his education to be a doctor. Instead, he became the breadwinner for his family by working as a cloth cutter in a clothing manufacturing plant. Stan then had dreams of opening up a New York-style deli and continued to work towards them. He took that dream to Los Angeles, California, where he continued to work in the garment industry to save money. In the 50s, Stan finally made that happen. He purchased Richie's Drive-In Restaurant in Garden Grove. Didn't take long for Stan to outgrow Richie's. He knew what he was doing. So in 1967, with 2 partners, Stan purchased Squire's Coffee Shop in Tustin, California. It was then remodeled and opened as Benjies NY Deli. Since then, Benjies is still owned and operated by the family. Celebrating 55 years of business, the place lives on. That's where we're going. California's great, man. People are always getting out of your way when you're on a motorcycle. Any other state I've ridden in, it's like you're a nuisance to them, man. They just want to stuff you up. Alright, let's see if Bob's got some goodies. Oh, hello, Bob. What do we got?
Mountain lion ate somebody.
Oh, no.
Come on, dude.
Oh, we got a note. Hey, my name's Ryan. Love watching your channel. Don't have much to say, but thanks for putting out entertaining content and great food spots. Keep it up. We appreciate what you do. Stay safe and watch out for those Priuses, especially the red ones. Red ones aren't so bad. It's the seafoam ones that really piss me off. Hey, thanks, Ryan. Really appreciate that. Keep that note forever. Promise you. Got a couple key tags. I signed the packaging. I don't know if that matters, but we're going to do that. And... oh, what do you got?
One of the last remaining, because I'm leaving, And I might not make it back here. Maybe a good spot.
Under Alexa. All right, Bob. Thanks for the goods. Thanks for the note, Ryan. We're going to buy some sodas.
I'm going to drink whatever you pick.
They got some Mr. Cucumber. You ever have cucumber soda?
Yes, I have.
You're either going to love it or hate it. I love it.
I don't have mine anymore. I'll try the green apple soda.
You know that's going to be good.
It needs some ranch.
It needs ranch.
It needs ranch dressing.
All right, you got frosty apple soda. First time ever having it.
First time, and it was good.
I'm going to have to try that now. You've sold me. First time you've ever had cucumber soda. What'd you think?
It was okay. Could have used a little ranch.
Ranch dressing. That'd be weird. All right, we're going to the deli. Benjies. This is your spot.
This is the spot.
I'm going to follow you, man. I'm still not sure what I'm going to get. French dip, pastrami, or a Cuban. No.
Do it.
All right. Oh, I like it. It's not as tall as I thought it would be. Hey, all right. Oh, this thing's fast. You guys know it, man. If I had a motard, I'd just get myself in trouble. Oh, this thing turns like it's on rails. What if you have to change the oil every 3 days like you do on a regular dirt bike? Hopefully not. That's annoying. I mean, it's only a quart of oil, but just having to do it sucks. This thing's sweet. This thing's awesome. I want to sell this and get that. You have to change the oil every 10 minutes?
No. 3,500 miles, change the oil. Every 7,000, change the oil and filters.
That's not bad. What year is that?
21.
Brand new.
Brand new.
What does that thing cost?
Sticker on it's like 12.
Buy an R.S.M. I feel like he jumped the gun. Pretty sure he jumped the gun. Either way, that bike is quick. Dickies went there in a video. I like Dickies. Oh shit, here we are. Benjies. Haha, yeah. When's the last time you ate here?
It's been a couple years.
Soup of the dog. Benjies. You got the hot pastrami?
Yep.
What'd you think?
It was good.
Did you like this pastrami better than the other place?
No, the other place was better.
What was the other place called?
Heidelberg's or Heisenberg's. Or
Yeah, Heisen. Yeah.
This wasn't bad, but the other place was a step above.
Got it.
But I would come back here.
What about you, sir? The Reuben? When was the last time you had it? It's been years?
It's been a couple of years.
Dude, I got the French dip. I'm not even gonna bullshit. Might be the best French dip I've ever had in my life. Have you ever had anything other than the Reuben?
I've had that triple decker pastrami corned beef, and that's it. I get the same thing every time I come back.
Yeah, why not? If you guys are in the area, you guys want a good ass sandwich, this is a spot for sure. Everything on the table, 67 bucks without the tip. Did you thank you for lunch? That was cool. Thanks, sir. You're always fun to ride with. You? Gonna miss you, sir. You gonna come back out to California and ride with your friends?
Of course.
I have a question for you. Food or motorcycles? What's more important to you?
Riding a motorcycle too.
I know, but if you had to pick one, it's like today I'm gonna eat all this really good stuff, or today I'm gonna ride all these cool bikes.
On the bikes and stuff.
Yeah. Let's say every day is white rice and boiled chicken, right? But you get one day out of the month to splurge. But you could either splurge on any food that you wanted all day, or you could ride whatever motorcycle you want one day. But you can't ride every day of the month, and you can't eat whatever you want every day of the month.
Ride.